Hello students, today you will learn about common disorders of urinary system and other excretory organs. First, see about the common disorders. These are urinary tract infection, kidney stones and kidney failure. First is urinary tract infection. Urinary tract infection or UTI occurs when bacteria enter the urinary system through the digestive system, through the digestive tract or some other means. When bacteria enters in the urinary tract, it causes some problems there, like the symptoms are irritation and pain in the urinary system, frequent urge to urinate, passing small amount of urine frequently and burning sensation. To avoid this urinary tract infection, we need to drink a lot of water so that when this bacteria enters the urinary system through urination, that will be flushed out from our body. Now the second is kidney stones. These stones are small hard masses of mineral deposits formed in kidney tubule. These hard masses formed due to the dehydration, consumption of high protein diet or formation of highly concentrated urine because of the presence of minerals in it. And its symptoms are frequent urination, pain while passing urine, strange colored or foul smell in urine, and it's the only one precaution is there to drink large quantity of water that can prevent the formation of stones in kidney tubule. And this also helps in moving small deposits or small stones formed in kidney tubule to pass it in the bladder, which can be passed out from our body or removed from our body through urine. And the large masses or large stones can be removed by surgery. The last one is kidney failure. Kidney failure means when the kidney is not able to filter the blood and when kidney is not able to form the urine properly. In that case, the one way out is there, that is dialysis. In dialysis, the human blood which flows in artery is one tube. Dialysis machine is connected with artery and that impure blood comes in dialysis machine for purification, and after purification that purified blood is sent back in the body through a vein, that is renal vein. This dialysis is preferred by doctors in extreme cases when kidney is stopped working. Now the next is other excretory organs. Kidney is the main excretory organ. Apart from kidney, there are some organs which helps in the removal of waste from our body, and they are called as accessory excretory organs, and these are skin, lungs and liver. Skin removes the excess of water, urea, salt and other metabolic waste. The skin has small pores in it which helps in the removal of these waste. The next is lungs. During respiration, there is the formation of CO2 in our body which is expelled out through lungs. The last one is liver. The highly toxic ammonia is converted, which is produced in our body, is converted into less toxic urea in liver. It is then carried to kidneys from where it is excreted with urine. Liver secretes substances like cholesterol, bile pigments, extra vitamins and drugs into the bile from where they are excreted along with feces. For more detail, just go through your textbook. Today's homework, question number 1. What are the common disorders of the urinary system? Question number 2. Give a brief about accessory excretory organs. Question number 3. Write about dialysis. Write these answers in classwork notebook. Thank you.